Hello, dear customer. It's David from QLQ company. Today I want to show you our waterproof zipper. And this is our waterproof zipper. You see, for the waterproof zipper, we have so many type of material, like the PVC, TPU, PU, normal type, and the Korean type. And let us see this overcoat. We also call it the rush shoe. You see, it's very smooth because this is the PU waterproof zipper. It's high quality, but also high priced. And if you need some finished zipper of this waterproof zipper, it's welcome to contact us. We can also print the letters on the zippers like this. You see, it's very beautiful. We can customize so many colors and the length for you, and also the size. Thank you.